Welcome to Unsol. Today we will do structure analysis of an angle bracket. First of all, download this model from link given in video descriptions. Let's start simulations. Start new study and give it a unique name. Okay, then assign material to bracket and assign fixed conditions or supports. We will select the four surfaces of these two slots. Okay, so we have fixed the bracket using the slots. Then we will apply a pressure load, change unit to megapascal and select this surface. Assign a pressure value. Okay. Then we will apply gravity load. Select the gravity force and we will assign its reference plane. So the direction of gravity is along the direction of pressure. Okay, now we will run our simulation. Wait until solution completes. Okay, we have done our solutions. We will evaluate displacement. This is the value of the total deformation. We'll check the deformation in. Now we will animatic this deformation. We will check the deformation in x direction. We will use probe to see the deformation at different regions. Now go edit definition and select deformation and y-axis. Note the deformation value in x using the probe. So this is the deformation maximum in x direction. Now I will evaluate the deformation in y-axis and z-axis. You can see the maximum deformation in y-axis is almost negligible. Similarly, the deformation in z-axis will also almost zero. You can see here. Change again into x. Now we'll check the stresses and we will see where maximum one major stress occur. Change its value to megapascal and go to the decimal option. You can see maximum yield strength of material and the maximum stress that occur at this point. We will show the maximum stress This is the value of the maximum stress. The value of maximum stress should be less than the value of material yield strength. This means that factor of safety must be greater than 1. Now let's see the factor of safety using the one major stress failure criteria. You can see the factor of safety, the minimum factor of safety, which is more than 1. Now we will change the material of bracket, that is aluminum alloy, and will perform simulation again, and we'll see the stresses as well as factor of safety. You can see the maximum one major stresses value, that is about 121 megapascal, which is more than material yield strength. And you can see the deformation has also increased to 0.73 mm in X direction. And check the factor of safety, that is less than 1.23. It means that material is going to fail. So what we should do now, we should decrease the value of pressure or load. So decrease the pressure value and run simulation again, and then see the results. See the maximum value of stress, that is still 60 megapascal more than the material yield strength. Again, you decrease the pressure value until the factor of safety become more than 1. Run simulation again and check the maximum one major stress value, that is 12 megapascal. Yes, that is less than material yield strength. Check now factor of safety, that is greater than 1. Thank you.